This is the Chef Preserve handheld vacuum sealer. It comes with a generous supply of bags as well as the handheld sealer, which is supposed to be battery powered and very simple to operate. Ooh, we've got some juice. You can hear obviously it is not very loud and it is ready to go. Let me throw a couple steaks in bags so you can see the process and we will suction them down and talk about how well it worked out. Just so you can see, the kit comes with 15 small and 15 medium-sized bags. I've decided for my steak project, we're gonna go with the medium-sized bags. I think I could have got them in the small, but I want a little bit extra room just to make sure it all works out perfectly. So let's go medium. So that's interesting. It senses when it is fully vacuum sealed. Look at that. How freaking cool is that? It goes until it's full and then it just cuts itself off. It's one. And it operates hands-free. You just put it on, it sucks itself to it. That's it, turns itself off. How great does that look? Time to cook this thing up. Let's see how well it holds its seal when we cook.